Myntri Tnad Phe RENIKTON lyngdoh ulah Kubur bakidon kipor bak UMBAM umdi kabawana kada Mawphlang kalong ka Jaboh ulong bakani ka jujia khamtam ha kapor slab Hynrei ulong pat bana liang jong shimkhia kiei kilat lynti ban lait nakani ka jingjaklia.
People are saying, some people who said that the water is not clean enough. We understand, you see, during rain, the real problem is there because the source of water, it's being collected from those places where there are sand mining, stone mining, and then from the agricultural side. So it's true that it's being polluted. The source has been polluted, and I have seen with my own eyes. It looks so dirty at the source. So of course the government has done its best to purify the water, clean the water before sending. But yes, we understand that it's not 100%. But according to the water comes to my bungalow, I found it is okay. It is safe for human consumption. Of course, we need to further clean. We use this filter, and it is okay. I think such a big water supply, to expect that it will be clean just to drink from the tap itself, it may be difficult, even though everybody wants to reach up to that extent. Let's see in the near future. I'll try, because I have just newly taken over this department. I'll try to find out the ways and means how to improve the safety of the drinking water.
Hakabai day baka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission RENIKTON ulai thu badangsa sasanlak prap kandai hajatali kilongying kiban yo
Under Jal Jeevan Mission, to give water connection to all the rural household. We have got almost 5,89,000 households where the government are determined to give water supply to all those households. So that is the big work which the government is doing as of now. Of course, we have the SIP scheme, but of course our idea also we have some scheme for which we have the work is going on, and some more also is in the process of getting sanctioned. But as of now, as a department, we are focusing on GJM. So that is the for which we hope we will achieve it.